What's going on YouTube? Today is S23 unboxing day. This just arrived in the mail as we speak a couple minutes ago, so I gotta throw up an unboxing right away for you guys. And I'm also gonna do a little bit differently this time. This is an unboxing of the S23 Ultra, but I also got some pretty sweet cases for free with my pre-order. So we're gonna take a look at the Silicone Grip case, and then we're gonna take a look at these two leather cases that come directly from Samsung. Now, it's not too late to order your S23. Check my link down below if you're interested in picking one of these up, and you're probably going to get a pretty sweet deal as well. Let's get into this unboxing, check out these sweet cases together, see what the S23 is all about. Let's go ahead and start with the S23 Ultra unboxing, and you can see the pretty cool graphic of the phone right on the front here. Other than that, it's a normal box that you'd expect from Samsung. Nothing's out of the ordinary when it comes to this S23 launch. But let's go ahead, get this little Leatherman to cut this tape here, and just take a look at the S23 Ultra in black. So here it is. Let's get rid of this little cardboard here. Now this is just a sweet, sweet color in my opinion. You can't go wrong with a classic black phone. It just looks elegant, it just looks modern, it looks sleek, it looks all of the above, not to mention it looks super, super fancy. So let me just go ahead and put this aside for just 1 second. Take a look at the accessories in the box, if you want to call these accessories. Here's your little SIM ejection tool right here. Some books and promotional material that none of us actually read, and of course a USB-C to USB-C cable, and that's basically it. So let's take a look at the phone. This is going to be our first look at it. Super, super sweet looking device. Now as we're booting up the phone, I just want to mention a couple things that I noticed right away. The S23 Ultra definitely is more squared off, more rectangular, so we're kind of going back to the old Note days, if you will. And I think that just is a nice design. The screen is also less curved than it was last year, and that just makes for a much better phone feeling in hand, in my opinion. And also it means that finding the proper tempered glass screen protectors are probably going to be a lot easier. I'm going to do a lot of reviews on cases and screen protectors, so make sure to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and let me know if you want me to check anything out for you guys. Taking a look at the bottom of the phone, of course, being the Ultra Edition, we get the included S Pen. It is a Bluetooth function, multi-function type of S Pen, so you can use it as a camera trigger if you want to. You can use it as a remote, if you will, for your phone. There's a lot of things you can do with the S Pen, but it also is going to just hide away when you don't need it. Now, I personally probably use the S Pen once a week. I don't use it as much as I should, but I also like the fact that when I do need it, when I need to sign documents on the go, the S Pen is always ready for me. Taking a look at the back of the phone, here are your camera bumps, and they are a little bit more pronounced than last year, but I think they look nice. I think the styling looks pretty nice as well. But if you're like me, guys, you're not going to use this phone raw dog. You're going to put it in a case. But if you don't use a case, if you're not about that case life, it does feel really nice, and I wish I could use a phone without a case, but that's just not my lifestyle. I am not able to do that. But trust me, if you are that type of person, you're really going to like using this phone without a case. But speaking of cases, let's check out the freebies that I got from Samsung. Now, these might not be freebies for you guys. They are going to cost a couple dollars. Let's go ahead and start off with the silicone case here, guys, because what I like about this case personally is you do have this nice grip on the back, nice handle, where you can just kind of place your hand through it as you're walking through the city, doing your thing, and you're not going to lose your phone. It's going to stay within your palm's reach. You're also able to adjust it a little bit, so if you have a little bit larger hand or you just want a little bit of a looser grip, you can go ahead and adjust the handle on the back there. So Samsung designed a nice case. As we take a look at the inside of the silicone case, you get this really nice felt material on the inside. So this is going to help protect your phone from getting all scratched up due to the case being on it. Again, really nice attention to detail. Samsung definitely puts some effort when it comes to their cases. But taking a look at the front lip protection here, you can see that front lip protection as I give you the 360 bird's eye view. For a thin case, I think they do a nice job with that front lip protection. So just take a look at that. You're definitely protecting that screen. So if you lay your phone face down, no problems about scratching up the screen on the front. And the back, your cameras, individual cutouts. If that's what I always said about last year's cases, we need that individual cutout treatment. So of course the official Samsung cases are giving us that individual cutout treatment, and I think this just looks really elegant, really stylish in my opinion. But once again, it's all about this handle. So if you wanted to, pick up the silicone case. I think you guys are going to be really happy. So this is what it looks like. Feels really nice. It's silicone. You guys already know. When it comes to the snugness test, not a super snug case. The corners are popping off under some pressure here. So I would not trust this case for any extreme type of drop situation. If you really baby your phone and you don't really mistreat it, you don't drop your phone a lot, this is a nice case for you guys. But in terms of snugness, I would kind of guess that this would pop out of the case on any type of huge fall. That's just my thoughts on it. Now taking a look at the bottom, easy access for your S Pen. No problems getting out that S Pen. Oversized cutout for your third-party USB-C cable, so no problems with that. Taking a look at the leather case from Samsung, this is in black. Once again, individual cutouts, that's what it's all about. And on the inside, you still get this soft felt material to help protect your phone from getting all scratched up. Taking a look at the front lip protection, as I give you the 360 bird's eye tour. Again, it's not the most heavy-duty type of case. This is a leather elegant case in my opinion. But you have enough front lip protection there. Again, if you place your phone face first, you're not going to damage your screen. So well done when it comes to a form-fitting, super elegant leather case in my opinion. Buttons, just as a silicone case, feel really, really nice. On the bottom there, easy access for your S Pen, no doubt about that. And that same oversized cutout for your third-party USB-C cables. Taking a look at the back of the case, individual cutouts definitely means premium, definitely looks elegant, definitely is the way to go. And you're still getting enough lens protection from those little individual cutouts there. Again, this is not a heavy-duty type of case. This is a thin, minimalist type of case. Now checking out the fitness, unlike the silicone case, this is staying snug on your phone, so no doubt about that. No worries about the phone popping out. So if you're looking for a really nice leather case, I would definitely check out the Samsung official case. Everything just looks really nice and premium. But let's check out another color. This is a brown color or tan color. And I like to switch it up just a little bit, give me a little bit of a color pop, and I think it's going to look nice with the black camera cutouts. So let's just go ahead and take a look. And again, it's the same case, so you're getting that same thin minimalist type of protection. You also get that nice felt material on the inside. And I can already tell this contrasting color is going to look super, super dope. Just look at that. And yes, I did say dope. Individual cutouts once again, and the black and the tan just looks really, really nice. What do you guys think about this one? This is the front protection. Once again, it's the same type of case. But what I do like about this case versus the black, which had black matching buttons, you have a little bit of a different contrasting color there when it comes to the buttons. More of like a gold, bronze, brass type of look. And I think that just looks really, really premium and elegant. So if you take a look at those buttons, you can see them shimmer in the light just a little bit. Same oversized cutouts. Once again, this is the same case as the black, just in a different color. Little Samsung logo right on the bottom. So that's it when it comes to these cases. Overall, my favorite right now is this tan combination with my Phantom Black S23 Ultra. Let me know which one you think looks the best, but you can't go wrong with Samsung cases when it comes to quality. They might not always be the most protective, but that's not what these cases are about. These are minimalist, thin type of cases. Make sure to subscribe because I got a lot of accessory reviews coming, not to mention the full review once I put this phone through its paces. Thanks for watching, guys. Thumbs up, subscribe, catch you in another video.